Kanino point? 1 point for purple team. Alright, 1, 2, 3, go! Laban na ng mga safe, ha? Laban na safe. Okay! Another point for the purple team. Okay. Cotton buds lang, ha? Ay, kalimot. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Purple team, so we got a winner! It's the purple team!
I know!
The final! Purple team versus black team! Okay! Finals na! Where's Arnel of black team?
Nice one!
Coming up, we will have the female category for the gladiator.
Category!
Nako, yung mga representatives ng mga teams, make sure ready na. Ayan na.
Alright. Female category!
Alright guys, only one who gets to be the winner will be the winner.
Charlie, 5 ka.
Sino kaya?
Ikaw rin dito! Dito, mas baka na.
Aba, shake hands ha, parang boxing ha. Okay. You can only use your cotton buds. Dili pwede mo gamit og laing lawas. Di pwede gamitin yung ulo. Gawas na lang gamitin yung ulo sa paggunit sa cotton buds. Upside down. Alright. 1, 2, 3, go! Alright. 1 point for black team. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Ayan na! Ayan na! Ayan na! Alright, another point for black team. Nako. 1, 2, 3, go!
Go Ja! Go Ja!
Oh my God! And we have a winner! Congratulations to black team!